trademark jacket, just raised his eyebrow.
Just such a great character. You know, you could argue he was married to cricket, married to Yorkshire cricket. His home was Headingley, so he's going to be greatly missed. Yeah, we did. I mean, he was such a... I mean, I remember as a young player just having times of difficulty, not scoring too many runs. I might get 10 or a 12 and he said, "Oh, you're playing great." He'd always tell you that you were playing great. So he had a positive kind of influence on everybody, and obviously that little seat that he has at Headingley, it's going to be void, but we'll give him a great send-off today. No, it's amazing. He was an umpire, but such a great character, and you know, he's brought so much joy to the game and to so many people around the world, not just here in Yorkshire where he's absolutely loved. I think around the globe today they'll all be raising a toast to Dickie Bird. I mean, I've seen all the clips, you know, the water incidents at that famous test match. I used to love him because as a batter, he used to keep his finger down. So I think there'll be a few batters in here today just saying thanks, Dickie. There'll be a few bowlers saying, "Come on, Dickie, you should have given us a few more." But a brilliant character, and he's going to be greatly missed.
We gather here today to celebrate the life of Harold Dickie Bird and to say a final farewell to him, a true legend around the world, as you've already heard. It's an honour today for me to deliver this eulogy on behalf of the club and its members, as we all respect it and admire him, from stewards, office staff, players and ground staff. Dickie was one of the family. He was part of the club's fabric, and he will be missed greatly by everyone in the club, but he will never be forgotten. Dickie was undoubtedly a man of the people. He loved talking to anybody, and he was always the same. From royalty to politicians to superstars to everyone in Barnsley Market, Dickie was a national and Yorkshire treasure. What you saw is what you got. He was warm, very emotional, with a sense of humour, maintaining his sharpness right up to his passing. As an international umpire, he was revered and respected around the world, with a no-nonsense approach, often saying, as you've already heard, cut it out and get on with it. That was Dickie. To the likes of Lillian Thompson, Wazim and Wacker, Holding, Garner, Ambrose, Willis and Botham, and many other great players. Mr. Bird, it was a privilege to know you, work with you, and spend time with you over those many years. Rest in peace, dear friend. You will always be remembered at the Yorkshire County Cricket Club, and you are a true icon of our great game. Thank you.
My favourite story ever as an umpire is at the Oval. Hot day, flat pitch. Dennis led it away, Dorney, great fast bowler. Shouting, how's that? LBW's, Dickie, not out, not out. He keeps on appealing, how's that? Not out, I can't give that out. And he keeps on appealing, I still can't give it out. And exasperated, late afternoon, Lily goes down on one knee, he's appealing, how's that? He said, not out, still not out. He says, you baby, you're an effing, billion, singing, whatever, every name you could think of swearing at him, but you're the best fast bowler, best umpire in the world. And he said, he turned round to Dickie, instead of taking his name, reporting him, he swore at him all those swear words and said, you're the best fast bowler in the world. But let me tell you, it's still not out. How Dennis Bird, Dickie to us all. He may not have excelled for Yorkshire Cricket Club or played for England, but as luck would have it, he found a vocation where he became the most famous and well-known umpire in the world, but more importantly, the best umpire in the world in my lifetime. He enriched our lives with his mannerism and character as an umpire. And if you were lucky enough to have a conversation with him, you would find him warm, knowledgeable on cricket. He was still driving himself to Headingley in his Jaguar right up to a few weeks before his death. And he always sat outside the hawk room and would immediately call an appeal out or not out before there was a replay on television. And he was usually right. We should cherish our memories of him. Harold Dennis Dickie Bird was a one-off and very, very special. Rest in peace, my friend.